Here we have a Hyundai 2019 Santa Fe, and we were hired to program a couple of keys on this vehicle. So we're gonna start the process here. Yeah, one of the keys are original, the other one is gonna be aftermarket. The keys were provided by the customer. So let's go to the emo status so we can scan the emo system, make sure that everything is good to go and ready for the programming, and also find out if there's any keys in there that the customer would like us to delete. As of right now, it shows that he has one key. The customer tells us that this key that is reflecting here is the OEM key that he provided us with, and it's not working, so he would like us to reprogram that key again and see if we can make it work. Okay, now we're gonna start getting ready to read the pin. We got the pin ready, so let's start the process of now programming the keys. We just follow the steps. We just read the instructions, make sure that we understand everything that we're doing. We have to turn off completely the vehicle, and all the lights have to be off. And in this particular vehicle, you have to open and close the door. So all the lights on the dashboard, the radio, and everything will be completely off before we start the process. We got the first key. We put it against the ignition button. We cannot press the key against the button. We just have to hold it against the button and with the fingers push that button. If you push the button with the key itself, it's gonna give you an error and it's gonna fail. The first one is good to go. Now we got the second one. We do exactly the same thing. Both key has been successful programmed. Now let's test the remote. Make sure that both opening and closing the vehicle. First one is working. Second one is working. Now let's turn on the car. Vehicle is on, we're good to go.